Did you know that after the age of 40, your balance starts declining and most people have absolutely no idea it's happening to them? Right now, as you're watching this video, your body could be sending you silent warning signs and you might be brushing them off as just getting older. Here's the truth nobody tells you. A fall is not just an accident. For people over 40, a fall can mean broken bones, months of recovery, loss of independence, and in the worst cases, it's life-changing. But here's what is in your control. Testing your balance takes less than 60 seconds. It costs you nothing. You don't need any equipment. And you can do it right where you're standing. Stay with me through this video because by the end, you'll know exactly where your balance stands today and what to do about it. This could genuinely be one of the most important things you watch all year. Before we get into the tests, let me tell you something that shocked me when I first learned it. Balance isn't one thing. It's actually 3 systems working together inside your body right now, without you thinking about it. Your eyes, your inner ear, and the pressure sensors in your feet and joints, all 3 constantly talk to your brain to keep you upright. When one of these systems starts to weaken, which happens gradually with age, the other 2 try to compensate. And that's why most people don't notice the decline until it's too late. The 3 tests we're doing today are specifically designed to challenge each of these systems individually. They're quick, they're safe, and they're going to tell you a lot about where you are. And I promise you what you learn in the next 8 minutes could change the way you move for the rest of your life. Quick note before we start, make sure you're standing near a wall or a sturdy chair, just in case. We're not expecting you to fall, but safety first always. Also, grab something to write with. You're going to want to remember your scores on each test, because at the end of this video, I'll show you exactly what your results mean and what to do next. And if you're watching this with a partner, a spouse, or even your adult kids, pause the video and get them too. These tests are for everyone. Balance decline doesn't wait until you're 70. It starts right now. Are you ready? Let's do this. Test number 1 is called the single leg stand test, and it's one of the most trusted balance assessments used by physical therapists around the world. Here's how to do it. Stand near your wall or chair. Place your hands on your hips. Now, lift 1 foot off the ground and hold it there. Start counting the seconds in your head, or use a timer on your phone. Your goal? Hold it for as long as you can without touching anything, hopping, or putting your foot down. Now, here's what the research tells us. If you're in your 40s and held for 40 seconds or more, excellent. Your balance is strong. Between 25 and 39 seconds, good. But there's room for improvement. Under 25 seconds, this is a red flag. Your balance needs attention. If you're in your 50s, the targets shift slightly. 30 seconds or more, great. 15 to 29 seconds, moderate. Work to improve this. Under 15 seconds, please take this seriously. And here's a finding that stops people in their tracks. A landmark study published in the British Journal of Sports Medicine found that people who couldn't hold a single leg balance for 10 seconds had an 84% higher risk of death from any cause over the next decade. This is not meant to scare you. This is meant to wake you up, because balance can absolutely be improved at any age. We'll get to that. Test number 2 is called the Tandem walk. And this one is fascinating because it challenges your coordination, your vestibular system, and your spatial awareness all at once. Here's how to do it. Find a clear space about 10 feet long. You can use a hallway, a living room, anything flat. If you want to be precise, put a piece of tape on the floor. Now walk in a straight line, placing 1 foot directly in front of the other, heel touching toe every single step. Take 10 steps total. The rules: no stepping sideways, no arms flailing out for balance, no looking down at your feet the whole time. Eyes forward. If you walk the line smoothly, with minimal wobble, and kept upright without using your arms, your dynamic balance is solid. If you stepped sideways even once, lost the line, or felt like the room was slightly spinning, that's a signal, not a sentence. A signal. Here's why this test matters. Dynamic balance, the kind you use when you're walking, turning, going downstairs, or moving through a crowded space. deteriorates faster than static balance, and it's the kind that causes most real-world falls. In fact, studies show that adults who struggle with tandem walking are significantly more likely to experience a fall within the next 12 months. The good news? This is also one of the most trainable aspects of balance. Just practicing the tandem walk for 5 minutes a day, 3 times a week, can produce measurable improvement in as little as 6 weeks. Let's move on to the most revealing test of all, test number 3. Test number 3 is called the Romberg test, and this is the one that most people fail without expecting it. It looks almost embarrassingly simple. But don't be fooled. Here's how to do it. Stand with your feet together, arms at your sides or crossed over your chest. Now close your eyes and hold that position for 30 seconds. That's it. Go ahead and try it standing near your wall. Here's what just happened inside your body when you closed your eyes. Your brain instantly lost one of its 3 balance inputs, visual feedback. Now it had to rely entirely on your inner ear and your feet's pressure sensors to keep you upright. If you felt a strong sway, a pulling sensation, or had to open your eyes before 30 seconds, your proprioceptive system and vestibular system may not be compensating effectively on their own. Most healthy adults in their 40s and 50s should be able to hold this for 25 to 30 seconds without major sway. But here's what makes this test so telling. It's often the first indicator of inner ear dysfunction, neurological changes, or declining sensory integration, all things that happen silently with age. If you nailed all 3 tests genuinely, well done. Your balance foundation is strong, and today's video is your reminder to keep protecting it. If you struggled with one or more, this is the most important thing I'll say in this entire video. You are not stuck. Balance responds to training faster than almost any other physical attribute. People in their 60s and 70s have completely reversed their balance deficits with the right work. And that leads us to what you should do next. So now you have your results. What do you actually do with them? Here are 3 things you can start today right now that will directly improve your scores on all 3 tests. Number 1, practice single leg standing daily. Every time you brush your teeth, stand on one leg, 2 minutes per side, twice a day. That's it. Your brain will begin rewiring its balance circuitry in less than 2 weeks. Research backs this up consistently. Number 2, do the tandem walk as a daily drill. 10 steps forward, 10 steps backward, heel to toe in your hallway. Do this before breakfast every morning. It conditions your dynamic balance system and your coordination pathways simultaneously. Number 3, practice the Romberg but make it harder. Start eyes closed, feet together for 30 seconds. Then progress to standing on a folded towel with eyes closed. The soft surface removes your floor pressure input and forces your other systems to work even harder. This is one of the most effective balance drills in physical therapy. The key message here is consistency over intensity. You don't need an hour-long workout. You need 10 focused minutes daily that specifically target the systems your tests revealed as weak. Your body wants to be stable. You just have to give it the right signals. Before you close this video, I want to ask you something, and I genuinely want to know your answer. How did you score on all 3 tests? Drop your results in the comments below. Test 1, Test 2, Test 3. Tell me what you could hold and what challenged you. You might be surprised how many people are in the exact same boat as you. And if this video made you realize something important about your balance that you hadn't noticed before, please share it. Send it to your partner, your sibling, your parent, your friend who's always moving around and thinks they're fine. This is the kind of thing that can genuinely help someone. Balance is not something that just happens to you. It's something you build, protect, and maintain on purpose. You took 3 simple tests today that most people your age have never even thought about. That already puts you ahead. Now do something with what you learned. If you found this video valuable, and I genuinely hope you did hit that like button. It takes 1 second and it tells us to keep making content like this for you. Subscribe if you haven't already. We post new videos every week on strength, mobility, and longevity for real people over 40. No extremes, no nonsense, Just what actually works. Thank you for being here today. Keep moving, keep testing yourself, and remember, it's never too late to get better. I'll see you in the next one.